In this video, we will learn how to create professional school management system software. Why you should create school management system software. If you want to make your school online based, then you must develop school management system software. Or you must develop school management system software to manage your school easily. In this video, I will teach you step by step how to create school management system software very easily. Now you can see the homepage professional design of school management system software. You are getting the most powerful admin panel to control the school management system software. You can control all the functionality and features of the website through the admin panel. And you can easily change the design on the website. Also, you get many features to control the school management system software. Through these features, you can easily control the school management system software. In this video, I will discuss with you step by step all the features of admin panel. Now the question is, who can use this website? We know that the features and functionalities of this website can be easily controlled by super admin. Also, this website can be used by school teachers. School teachers are getting the most powerful account panel to control the website. Then we can add accounting manager to the website. Accounting managers are getting the most powerful control panel to control the website. We can easily recruit librarians on the website. Librarians can easily control the website through their account panel. We can add parents to the website. Parents can easily access the website through their account panel. Then we can definitely add different students to the website. Students can easily control the website through their account panel. I think the source code is perfect for you to build school management system software. Now we will learn how to create professional school management system software. Now we need to purchase the source code to create the school management system website. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of the source code in the video description. Then we have to click on the Buy Now button. We can download this source code from Code Canyon website. For this, we need to purchase the premium source code from Code Canyon website. If you buy this source code once, then you can use it on the website for lifetime. Also, you get source code update version for lifetime, and you can take developer support for any problem. We will also support you. If you have any problem installing the source code or any problem in customizing the website, then you can contact us. You will find all the information to contact us in the video description. Now we will learn how to purchase source code from Code Canyon. For this, we need to click on the Add to Cart button. Then go to Checkout. Now we need to create an Envato account. We can easily create account using Google, Apple and Facebook. Or we can create account by submitting correct information here. I have already created account on Envato, so I will log in account now. We must submit the billing details. We can purchase source code using 3 international payment gateways. You can pay by banking card or pay by PayPal and pay by Skrill. For example, I will now pay by bank card. For this, we need to submit correct banking card information here. Then we will confirm the payment by clicking on this button. Wow, our payment is complete. Now we will go to Download section. Then we have to click on the Download button. Wow, now we can download all information of source code step by step. As you can see, I have already downloaded all the source code information. Now we will purchase domain hosting to publish school management system website online. You can purchase high quality domain hosting from Hostinger at low cost. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of the Hostinger website in the video description. If you buy domain hosting from Hostinger, you will get many benefits. I have been using Hostinger domain hosting for my personal website for over 6 years because their domain hosting service is very high quality. Now we will learn how to purchase web hosting. You definitely get a free domain with these packages. Also, you get many more features with these packages. You get 30 days money back guarantee with every package. If you don't like your domain hosting within 30 days, you can get your dollars back. Also, you can get 24 hours technical support from Hostinger. Or you can get direct support from us. You will find all our contact information in the video description. You can purchase any package as per your choice from here without any problem. As an example, I would now purchase the business web hosting package. We must purchase this package for 12 months. Now we need to create Hostinger account. We can easily create accounts through Google. Wow, we are getting 69% discount. We have to pay a total of $59.88. We can make payment through bank card very easily. For this, we need to submit the correct information of the banking card here. Then we will confirm the payment by clicking this button. Also, if you have a PayPal account, then you can pay through PayPal. And you can also pay using other international payment gateways. Or we can also make payments through different types of cryptocurrencies. This way you can easily buy high-quality domain hosting at low cost. After purchasing domain hosting, you will get a dashboard just like this. Now we will change the PHP version of the hosting panel. We will select PHP 8.1 version as per source code documentation. Then we will go to the file manager to upload the source code. Now we will go to public HTML folder. Then we need to extract the source code zip file. Now we will convert this folder into zip file. Then we will upload the zip file to the hosting panel. Our zip file is upload complete. Now we will extract this zip file. We need to choose a folder name. Now we will delete this zip file. Then we need to select all these files. Now we need to submit these files to the public HTML folder. Now we will delete this folder. Now we will search by typing our domain into the browser. Now we have to do purchase verification. Then we need to add the database to the website. For this, now we will go to hosting panel. Now I will teach you step by step how to create database in hosting panel. Then I will teach you how to connect hosting panel database to website. For this you have to follow this video completely. Then we have to click on Setup Database button. Now we have to submit the login information of the website. Then we have to click on Install button. Wow, we have successfully installed the source code. Now our website is completely ready. So now let's log into the admin panel. Now we will learn how to activate school management system website homepage. For this we have to make school brands. We can create multiple school branches. As an example, I will now create a school branch. For that, we have to submit the school branch information here. Now we have to go to front-end section. Then we will go to the settings section. Now we have to select a branch. Then we will click on the filter button. Here we can see many information of our website homepage. Now we will change the homepage information step by step as per our requirement. You can add Google Captcha for website security if you wish. You can easily learn how to add Google Captcha to website by following other videos of our YouTube channel. You can also add Google Analytics to view your website analytics. So now let's check if the home page of our website is active. Wow, our website home page is activated. You get a lot of functionality and features in the admin panel to control a school management system website. You can manage these features step by step through admin panel. You also get many important functionalities in the settings section. For example, you can change the roles and permissions of website users. Here you can add custom roles permissions as per your requirement. Now I will teach you how to set up cron job. For this we need to go to hosting panel. Now I will teach you how to set up cron job with hosting panel. For this you have to follow this video completely. We have successfully set up cron job with the hosting panel. You can create professional school management system software using this source code, because you can see that this source has a functionality to manage all types of schools. If you have any question about this video, please comment or contact us directly via WhatsApp and email. Thank you so much watching this full video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.